PI Master Test Kit. I have this one here. This is an essential piece of equipment for any new fish keeper, even people that have been in the hobby for a while. Kit gives us a tool to check the living conditions of our fish. They come with these 5 little millimeter test tubes here. Hardest part of this kit is filling these things up with water. And these kits come in both salt and fresh water, along with a reef one as well. It's most likely a one-time purchase depending on how many tanks you have and how regimented you are on checking. When you're first cycling a tank, you're going to be checking more tanks established, and you'll eventually get in a routine, and you'll only end up, personally, I only do this once a month now, whereas before I was doing it once a week, keeping on top of my numbers until I noticed all my tanks were at a nice stable level. It also lets you test your tap water so you know what's in it before you get a fish. Buy yourself one of these two. That way you can test what's in your tap water and just get a feel for what's in your water. The only thing this isn't going to test for is chlorine in your water, but you can go and get a separate chlorine test for that. So the kit comes with 4 of these glass tubes here, each complete with their own little click-on thing there. It also comes with a booklet. Again, this is the Saltwater booklet, but it gives you all the instructions on how to dose everything, and it also gives you a chart here to show you what your colors are. Similar to their test strips, everything is color coded. These kits and the testing chemicals are super easy. Once you just read it and do it a few times, you're going to actually sadly probably memorize how many drops of each chemicals. I know I did when I started doing this a lot. And it's just going to let you keep an eye on your ammonia levels if you're doing a keep fish in cycle. And it's just going to overall help you notice when your tank is cycled. I did a whole video on cycling. I'll link that here with a little card up in the corner for you. Saltwater test is exactly the same. The only difference is this one only will test high range pH because saltwater fish are not going to be in the 6s and acidic side of the water. Now there is a reef test kit as well. It just tests for a few different things. That one's going to test you for calcium, carbonate, hardness, which is your KH, phosphate, and nitrates, because those are more of what you're going to need in a reef tank when you're setting one up. Cool kit overall. Definitely recommend getting it for anybody, even if you only have one tank. Now, these kits are overall definitely a needed thing for anyone that wants to try keeping fish and keeping an eye on your fish are more than just visual. Like, we can visually observe our fish all the time. They'll generally tell us when things are wrong, but this is going to help you dial in more what's wrong along with their other testing supplies as well. The only negative I would say to this is the price, depending on when you're getting it. Like I said, I've seen it as much as $55 before. And it doesn't also test for chlorine. It's not a biggie since we're all going to use conditioners anyway. So just for that reasons, I'm going to give this test kit and the other test kits an 8 out of 10. As always, thank you all so much for the support on the videos. If you're new here and you're enjoying this content and content like it, please remember to hit that sub button. And of course, leave a comment down below. Let me know your opinions on the API Master Test Kit. Let me know if you've used them. Let me know if you've used other kinds, because I've seen there's a few other kinds in the market. And leave a like on the video as well if you enjoyed it. Dislike if you didn't, so I know how to change things up next time. And I will catch you guys on the next video.